base method.
Yes, last point was the base method, right? So yeah. Yes, there was 2 to 3 cases. What was the and how many steps are there in the base method? Base method, right? Let's revise the method first. Now, first step in the multiplication using base method is finding the base and the difference. Finding base and difference. What does it mean? Let's have one example side by side. So let's have the example 9987, multiply it with say 9982. Okay, we have to multiply these two with using base method for the revision purpose. So the first step is what? Finding the base and differences. What is the base here? Yes, what will be the base? These both the numbers. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Both the numbers are near to 100. Okay. 10,000, right? Right. So what is the difference?
13 minus 13.
Yeah, minus 13, and here minus
18.
Is it minus 13? Yeah, it is minus 13, and in for this number difference will be, yes,
18.
yeah, minus 18, right? माझा समज मला यायला लागला कारण
बंद करू का?
तुमचं माहित झालं
नाही.
hello so as we have discussed, so the second step is what? In the second step, and we know that in the base, while using the base method, we will have an answer in two parts. One part is LHS and one part is RHS. To the RHS, how many digits should be there to the RHS? The number of zeros in the base. How many zeros are there? There are 4 zeros. So there should be 4 digits to the right hand side. And we have to multiply these two. What is the multiplication of 13 into 18? Yes, you have to do it for right now. Do the multiplication and tell me the answer. 18 and 30. Do the crisscross method here.
2, 3, 4.
Fast.
4.
Yes. 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
See, there are 3 digits, but we should have there 4 digits. So we should put 0 before the 2, 3, 4. Right? And what is the next thing? You have to subtract this 9982 with 13 because minus sign is there. Either you subtract these two or subtract these two. 9987 with 80. Both the answers will be the same. 13 will be, yes, 12 minus 3 9, and 7 minus 1 6 will be there. So 9969. So the answer for this multiplication is 99690234. So second step, what was the second step? Yes, number of digits to the right hand side is equal to number of zeros in the base. That was the second step. And what was the third step? Third step is to multiply the differences. Third step was multiply the differences. And what was the fourth step? Fourth step is to cross the operation. Cross operation. Why I am calling it as cross operation? Because if there is a minus sign, you have to subtract this number, and if there is a plus sign, you have to add these two. Okay. So the fourth step is what? Do the cross operation. This was the what? These are the steps for the multiplication of two numbers using base method. And these both the numbers if we observe these two numbers, both the numbers are below the 10,000. Okay, right? And if we consider one more example, say 101, 0, and multiply it with 1112. Yes, what will be the multiplication? Base will be what? 1000 will be the base, right? Then what is the subtraction here? Plus 10, because this 1010 is nothing but 1000 plus 10. That's why plus 10 is there. And here 112 will be there. Actually, I wanted to take here 0. Let's have take 0 because it will be easy for us. Here 12 will be. Now what is the next thing? We have to multiply these two. How many digits should be there to the right hand side? There should be 3 digits because number of zeros are 3 there. So 10 into 12, 120. Put 120 as it is. Now add these two because plus sign is there. So 1012 plus 10. That will be the 1022. You just write down the answer 1022120. This will be the product of these two numbers. Okay. Here in both the case, both the examples, both the multiplicand and the multiplier are either below the base or above the base. And also we have considered the examples where one number is below the base and one number is above the base. In that case, how to do the multiplication? So the question, multiply say 101 with 97. See here 101 and 97. I have to do multiplication. What will be the base here? Base will be 100 because both the numbers are near 200, right? So here plus 1 and here minus 3, right? 100 minus 97, that is 3. Okay. So what is the next thing? In the RHS, there should be 2 digits, but the multiplication is what? Minus 3 into 1. What is minus 3 into 1? Minus 3. So I have to write down minus 03. Why minus 03? Because there are 2 0 in the base. So I have to write in 2 digit form. And next thing is what? 97 plus 1. 97 plus 1 is 98. Either do this addition or do this subtraction. 101 minus 3 will be again 98. 90. Now in this case, what we have to do? We have to multiply this LHS with base and subtract the number which is at right hand side, that is 03, because subtraction is there. So what is LHS? LHS is 98 into 100 minus 03, which will give you 9800 minus 03. What will be the answer here? 97. Yes, 9797.
7.
Yeah. So this will be the multiplication of these two numbers. Here we have considered the example where one number is greater than base and one number is less than base, right? Yes, is there was any another case that we have discussed in the last class? Multiple base, okay. When the number of digits in RHS exceeds the number of zeros in the base, that means multiply. Let's have one example again. Multiply say 1050 with a 1 or 1025. Let's have multiplication of these two. Okay, 1050 and 1025. Let's see. So what will be the base here? base will be 1000,
1000.
right? And then here plus 50, here plus 25. What is the multiplication of these two? 5 into 25. 1250.
1 to 5.
How many digits are there? There are 4 digits, but in the base there are 3 digits. So how many numbers that we can write at the right hand side? That means 250, and 1 will be the carry. 1 will be the carry. And do this addition. 1025 plus
1076.
1075 will be there, and add this carry here, addition. So the final answer 1076250. So this is the multiplication of two numbers 1050 with 1025 equal. Okay, this was the next case. So now the next point, multiplying a number with a different base. Okay, if base for the first number is different for as compared to the base for the second number. Okay, the case multiplying numbers with a different bases, Okay, so let's have an example. Multiply 85 by 995. Now as you observe here in this example, for this number 85 number, 100 will be the appropriate base, and for this 995, what will be the base? 1000 will be the base. Now what we can do here, either we can make the number in such a way that both of their bases will be the same. So what I can do here, I can multiply this 85 with 100 with 10. What I will get if I multiply 85 with 10, I will get 850. Okay, and now this 850 is what? Near to 100, and this 995 is also near to 100. So I can multiply these two numbers, 850 with 995, and I can divide the obtained answer by 10. What I am doing here, multiplying and dividing. Yes, any doubt here? What is our idea? Idea is to make the bases for the both the number same base should be there for both the numbers. To make it, I have to multiply this 85 with 10, so that base will be the same. Now here I have multiplied here, so instead of multiplying what, this 85 with 995, I can multiply 850 with 995. Okay, there 85 into 10 is there. Okay, now what will be the base for here? For this example, base is 1000 is the base. Now plus what will be there? Subtraction.
Minus 150.
150 or 250?
250.
Yes,
150.
150. And what about this one? Minus
125.
So the answer will be, yes, 0. Now how many digits are there? There are 3 digits. 0, 7, 5 here. Okay, now do the subtraction here. Instead of adding these two, subtracting these two, you can subtract these two, because 5 is there. You can get easily answer. That will be 845. Now what is the answer here? 845750. Now this is multiplication of what? 850 into 995. But what I want the multiplication with 8, 5. So what I have to do? I have to divide the answer with 10. Means just remove this 0. Divide the answer by 10 and get the final answer. Get the final answer. Okay, so after dividing means what? 1 0 will get cancelled here. So the answer will be what? 8 5 8 4 5 7 5. This will be the answer. Okay. Yes. Any doubt here in this example?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let's have one more example. Multiply 102 by 999. Now how to do? Now base for 102 is 100, base for 999 is 1000.
Multiply 102
By, if I multiply it by, yes, 10, what happens? 1020 will be there. But you should try to bring both the numbers either below the base or above the base, because what happens here, if one number is below the base and another number is above the base, then that method becomes little bit complicated, because we have to subtract that right hand side from left hand side by multiplying that left hand side with base, right? That's why what I have to do, I have to multiply this 102 9. If I multiply this 102 with 9, what will happen? That number, obtained number will be less than 1000, and this number is also less than 1000. So I have to multiply 102 by 9. That is what will be the answer here? 102 into 9. Yes,
908.
819 918. So what I can do, I can multiply. So instead of 102 into 999, we can find, we will multiply what I will multiply this 918 with 999, and what I will do, I will then, to get final answer, what I have to do, I have to divide this multiplication of these two number by 9. Barabar? Because what I am doing here, I am doing 102 into say 999. If I am multiplying these two, means if I multiply here 9 and do the multiplication, then to the final answer also I have to divide that final answer to get the multiplication of these two numbers, right? Because I am doing multiplication and division, so I will get original answer. Now 102 with 999. Okay, now to get original answer, what I have to do, I have to for the multiplication of 102 with that 999, we have to divide what? The multiplication, divide the multiplication of 918 with 9, right? By 9. Okay. Okay, do the multiplication now. Yes, what will be the multiplication here? 918 into 999. So the answer will be. So as usual, base is 1000. So the here, what will be the subtract?
minus 82.
Minus 82.
Yeah, minus 82. And here minus 1. So multiply these two. Minus minus plus 82 into 1. That is 82. So but how many zeros? There are 3 zeros. So what I have to write down? I have
082.
and again subtract these two.
9
1 yes 7 917. Now this, now you have to divide this 917082 divide it by 9. What you will get? Yes,
101898.
101
898.
898. Okay, so this will be the multiplication of 102 with 999. Means we are dealing with a case where both the bases for both the numbers are different. Okay. Now next, let's have one more example again. Multiply that 9995 by 86. Do it right now. Yes. What to do now? Yes, anybody? The base for this 995 is, it is 10,000, right? And base for 86 is 100. To make base for 86 as 10,000, what I have to do? I have to multiply. Yes, I have to multiply that 86 by 1000. Yeah, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or I have to multiply just by 100.
No, 1000.
1000.
100.
100 only. I have to multiply only by 100. That is, I will get what? 86. Use what? 8600. Right? Now multiply. Now our problem reduces to what? Multiply this 8600 by or with 86. Sorry, with 9995. Okay, so 9995 with 8600. Do the multiplication and base is 10,000 is the base. Okay.
Answer
So final answer.
8595700.
Final answer means, do you mean the multiplication with 86?
No, direct divided by 100.
Okay, okay. Just remove the last two zeros.
859570.
Okay, okay. Now let me do with the procedure. Now minus 5 is there, and then yes,
Minus 140. 400.
1400. Right, 1400. Now here, what will be the answer here? Yes,
7000.
7. Right, 7,000 will be there, multiplication. And you have to subtract these two. 8600 minus 5. So that will give you 4, 4, 9, and 5, and here 8.
8595.
85,
95.
95. Yeah, 10, 10. Yeah, right, no problem. 10 minus 5. Okay. So the answer will be what? Just with 100 means I have to divide the number by 100. Dividing a number by 100 means you have to remove these 2 zeros. Okay, so the final answer will be what? 85957000 divided by 100. That will give you 859570. Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now there are so many problems are there for the exercise purpose. So I will send you the photos for that, for those exercise. So you do it at your home. Let's have one more case. That case is when the base is not a power of 10. Means we can consider base as any number. Okay, base as any number. But for the simplicity purpose, we are using base as a power of 10. Okay, because if we multiply any number with 10, what happens? Multiplication will be just the 0 will be there to the right hand side of that number. Means multiplication is easy if we consider base as a power of 10. But also we can use base as any number. So let's have example of that kind. The next is when the base is not a power of 10. Case is when the base is not a power of 10. Okay, now how to do this one? Okay, now multiply say 48 with 40. Actually we know the answer of this 48 into 48 because it is a square of 48. And how to find out the square of 48? Because 48 is less than 50. So what will be the square? Yes, square of this one.
48 minus 2 whole.
Yeah, 48 minus 2 whole square.
No.
Yes.
No, 50. 50 minus 2 whole. By using formula.
Yeah, using formula. How to do? What you have to do?
Pi
A
square
square minus 2ab.
Pi square minus 2.
AB plus b
2304.
square.
2304.
2304. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In the using base method also means our usual base method means what? Minus 2 is there, right? Actually, what I am doing here, yeah, using the if base is not a power of 10, that we are going to use.
21.
Yeah, 21 will be there because 25 minus 4 will be there, that is 21.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's see with the base check. Okay, so 48 into 48. Suppose as usual base will be what? 100 will be the base, but I can solve this problem using base as a 50. Okay, so what is my base? And this is actual base. Actual base is what?
Divided by 2.
Yeah, and working base. This 50 will be the working base. 50 will be the working base for us. This 50 is what? Working base. Means we are going to work 50 as a base. But this 50 is what? 50 is nothing but what? 100 by 2. Okay. If I consider 50 as a base, so what will be the base method here? So 48 is what? Minus 2. Here minus 2. Why? Because 48 minus 2 will be there. That will be minus 2. That's why here minus 2, minus 2. What is the multiplication here?
0, 4.
0, 4. Because base is what? 100 here. Actual base is 100. 0, 4. Okay. And what about this subtraction here? 46 will be there. And now this working base will act here that you have to divide this LHS by 2. This divide here by, so 2304 is the answer. Here you have to divide this 46 by 2 because Because working base is what?
100 by 2.
Base is 100 by 2 is the working base. That's why to the left hand side, whatever the number is coming, you have to divide that number by 2. Okay, this is a working with a base which is not a power of 10. Yes, any doubt? So this is the square, you can check. Yes. Let's have one more example again. Question. Find or multiply 27 by 28. Yes. Multiply 27 by 28. I can use 10 as a base. I can use 30 as a base. Anything.
756.
Okay, multiplication is okay, but now we should focus on the how to change the base for the multiplication. Okay. Now, if I consider base as 100 or say 10, suppose I consider base as a 10. So actually, this will be actual base. Actual base. Okay. And what about working base? I can consider working
30.
base as a 30, which is a 3 into 10. Okay, I'm multiplying here to actual base. That's why in this example, now here -3 and -2. Am I right? 27 minus 30 is -3. 28 minus 30 is -2. So 3 into 2, 6. Write down 6 as it is. Why? Because in the base, in the actual base, 0 is only at one time. So one digit will be there to the. Now what about subtraction here? 27 minus 2 is 20. 25. Now we are working with the base 30, and that 30 is nothing but 3 times, right? So you have to multiply this with 3. So 75, 6. This will be the answer. Yes, am I right?
सर 48 वाले केस में भी तो एक ही 0 था, तो फिर 04 क्यों लिए थे?
वो भी ले सकते हैं 35 की
बेस 100.
इथं बेस 100 घेतला होता. इथं बेस 10 घेऊन सुद्धा करता येईल आपल्याला. इथं बेस 10 केलं तर काय करता येईल त्याला सांगा. 48
multiply by 4.
10 base, yeah. Either 4 or you can multiply by 5 also.
5.
Okay, this will be actual base. AB means actual base now, and working base will be 50. Okay, working base, which is nothing but what? 5 into 10, right? Now 48 into 48. How to multiply? Now I'm working base means I have to write here -2. Why? Because 50 is a base for working here, right? So 48 minus 50 will be -2. Here also -2. So the answer 2 into 2 -2 into -2 4. So write down just 4. And now 48 minus 2. Yes, 46. Now here to this 46 you have to multiply with 5. Do the multiplication and give me the answer. 5 into 3, 5 into 6, 30, right? 0 will be there, 3 will be carrying, and 5 into 4, 20, 20 plus 3, 3, and 4 as it is. So this will be the answer. Here we work, we consider 10 as an actual base and 50 as a working base. Here 100 as actual base and 50 as a working base. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt? Okay, is this okay? Multiplication by 27 by 28. Okay.
One more time.
Okay, see here 27 by 28. Actual base, let's have with 28. Now suppose I am taking actual base as a 100. Okay, and working base, say can I consider working base as 30?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How? Then how to make a relation with 100? You can consider 25, or also you can consider 50 only. That will be easy. Yes. 30 करता येणार नाही आपल्याला इथं बेस. 25 करता येईल कदाचित. 25 will be better.
20.
20
25.
will be also good.
20
Yeah.
or 25.
100 divided by 5. That will give you 20. Okay. Then plus 7 will be there because working base is 20. So plus 8 will be there. And now 8 into 7. Yes, 56, right? Can I write here 56?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because actual base is 100. And how many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros. So 56 is there. Now what is the addition here? So 27 plus 8. 27 plus 8 is?
35.
Yes, 35. Divide this number by 5 because working base is 100 by 5. Divide
Seven.
this number by 5, you will get 7.
Seven.
7, 5, 6. This is the answer. It's right. Okay. You can work with any base. But again, you have to take a help of this base again. Okay. Right. Next. Next is what? Say multiply 59 by 58. Multiply 59 by 58. Okay. Yes. So the answer will be what? I can consider 60 as a base here. Right? Working base.
For easiness, 50 base.
59 and 58. Okay. I can actual base will be 10. Can I consider actual base as 10? And working base will be what? 6 into 10, which will be 60. Now 59 minus 60, that will be minus 1. 58 minus 60, that will be minus 2. So the answer will be what? 2 into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. 2 will be there because in the actual base 0 is the only one time. So 1 digit only there at the right hand side. Now 58 minus 1, 57. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply this LHS by 6.
6.
So 42, 4 will be the carry. 6 into 5, 30, 30 plus 4, 3, 4. 3, 4, 2, 2 will be the answer. Okay. Yes. Any doubt here? Doubt I have, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so the next is one more example. Let's have one more example where this one is a crucial one. 45 with 42. Multiply 45 with 42. Multiply. Okay, now 45 with 42. Just observe this example. Here I am going to consider actual base as 100 and working base as say 50. Okay, 100 by 2, which is 50. Now let's see what happens here. Now, as working base is 50, so 45 minus 50 is minus 5. 45 minus 50 is minus 8. So 40 will be there, right? Because 2 digits are there in the actual base, 2 zeros are there in the actual base. So to the right hand side, 2 digits will be there. Now 42 minus 5. 42 minus 5 is 37. Now I have to divide this 37 by 2. Can I divide this one? So the answer will be
Yes.
2 ones are 1. 1 will be there. 17 will be there. 2 8s are 16, and half will be right. Am I right? 1 will be the remainder here. When we divide this 37 by 2, 1 will be the remainder, so 1 by 2 will be there. Okay, and this 40 is a right hand.
परत एकदा सांगा ते.
What I am doing
ते
here,
डिवाइड परत एकदा सांगा.
division 37 by 2. What is 37 by 2? दोन भाग केला काय तर division quotient will be 1. 1 will be the remainder. 17 will be there.
16.
2 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2 will be 1. So remainder is 1. Okay. So 17 will be there. And divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. So 17 minus 16. Again 1 will be the remainder. And 8 will be the quotient. So 18 plus 1 by 2 will be there. 1 by 2. This 37 can be written as 18 1 by 2. अपूर्णांक म्हणतात त्याला काय म्हणतात incomplete rational number or something we can call it. Okay, so now here what I have to do now, I have to divide this. Yes, I have to divide this 100 by this 1 by divide this 100 by 2 and then add it to the 40 here. So next step will be 18 as it is. This 1 by 2 is 100 divided by 2 plus 40, which is again same as 100. 100 divided by 2 will be 50. 50 plus 40, which will give you 18. 50 plus 40 is 90. So this will be the answer then. You can check the multiplication. 45.
Correct, sir.
40. This will be the answer. Now, this such kind of things maybe happen, maybe happen. Okay. Let's have one more example of this kind. Yes, any doubt? Here 1 by 2 is there. So you have to
No, sir.
multiply it. You have 1 by 2 is there, so you have to multiply it with 100. Multiplication means what? 1 by 2 multiplication means you have to divide it by 2. So 50 will be there. So 50 you have to add to the right hand side. This is the method. See, this is just the case, but most of the time we are going to choose an appropriate base. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's have one more of the same kind. Okay. Multiply.
Sir, मागची screen repeat करा ना एकदा.
This one. Yes. Same problem. I am going to same kind of.
Okay,
I'm going
thanks.
to take same kind of problem. So next, yeah, multiply 245 by say 248. Okay. Now again here actual base I am going to take as 100 and working base will be 100 by 4.
1000, sir.
Yeah, 1000 by 4. So 245 and 240 is there. Yeah, what is the working base? Working base will be what? 1000 by 4. That will be
250.
250. Because that 250 is near, these two numbers are near to 250. That's why I am taking this base. So what will be there? Minus 5 and minus 2. Am I right? Because 245 minus 250, that will be minus 5.
Right.
248 minus 250, that will give you minus 2. Okay. So multiplication of these two, 5 into 2, 10.
0, 1, 0.
Yeah. How many zeros are there in the actual base? There are 3 zeros. So 3 digits should be there. So 0, 1, 0. Because multiplication is 10. In 3 digits, I will write this one. Okay. 0, 1, 0. Right. Now, next. 248 minus 5, or you can do minus 2. That will be what? 243. Now, what I have to do? I have to divide this LHS. I have to divide this LHS by 4. What will be the answer here?
6.
Yes, 6. Then 0, because we cannot divide 3 by 4. So 0 will be there, and then 3 by 4 will be there. See, why I am doing this? Because our answer should be whole number, right? Answer should not be in the fraction, because both the numbers are just whole numbers. They are not in fraction. So our answer should be in not in fraction. That's why this 3 by 2 as it is, you have to multiply this 3 by 2 by 1000. Multiply it, then what you will get? 3 into, yes, 250. Am I right? Divide this.
Yes.
You will get 250. 250 into 3, that is
750.
750. Now what you have to do? This 60, and to the right side, this 750 plus 010. You have to add this 750 to the right hand side, and that will be the answer. That means 60 and 760. Okay, so this is the multiplication of 245 with 240. Am I right here? You can check using calculator. Yes, means you can multiply any two numbers using this base method. Do these things, means you have to fix the actual base, and you have to do the you have to fix the working base. Why I am doing these things? Because both the numbers are far away from 100 and far away. So I have to make a base in such a way that that base will be near to these two numbers. Okay, that base should be near to both the numbers. That's why I have to do these things. Okay. Okay, let's have example. Say 58 into 42. 58 multiply 50 by 42. The multiplication. What will be the base? Yes,
50.
50 will be the base. Do the multiplication and give me the answer. Yes, I will write direct answer. You have to do the answer. You have to find the answer. Yes, what will be the answer? Are you trying or? Yes. $58, $42. Do one thing, that consider actual base as 10 and working base as 5 into 10. Either do this one, or you can consider actual base as 100 and working base as 100 by 2.
2436.
2436.
36.
Yeah, right. Right. So 58. Now working base is plus 8 will be there, because working base is 50 here, and minus 8 will be there. Right. Now 8 into 8, 64. 64. So what I have to do? I have to write 4 here, and 6 will be the carry. Let's do. Actually, in the book they have considered these 100 as a base, but I am considering here 10 as base. Let's see how it works. So 48 plus 8, 42 plus 8, that is 50. What you have to do now? See here, 8 into 8, 64, and you have to take minus 64, right? So minus 64 is there. So if I consider 10 as base, I don't think that this will work because minus sign is there, right? Am I right? Let's see. Minus. If I consider minus here, okay, and minus here. I'm just trying something new. Okay, and I'm going to multiply this with 5. 5 into 5, 25. 0 minus 6. Okay, do this one. 2, what will be there? 2, 4, right? 2, 4, 4 into actual base is 10 minus 4. If I consider this one, so 2, 4, 4, 0 minus 4. So the answer will be 6.
2 4 3 6.
Yeah, I'm right then. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. You can do it in this way also. Means actually in the book they have not considered actual base as 10, but I just for the fun purpose I have considered here actual base as 10 and working base as 50. So but if you observe here, 58 is above the base and 42 is below the base. So the multiplication of these differences will be minus 64. So minus 64, actually this 64 minus means what? Minus 60 minus 4, right? Actually this minus 64 is nothing but minus 60 minus 4. That's why I can write down minus 4 here. Why? Because in the actual base 0 is there, only 1 0 is there. So only one digit should be there at the right hand side. So minus 4 I wrote there and minus 6 to the carry. And see 50 is there. So you have to multiply that LHS by 5. So 250 will be there and subtract it from minus 6 because this one is a carry. You have to do this one first and then multiply it by 10 because actual base is 10. Remember that method. If one number is below the base and one number is above the base, how to do? You can multiply the LHS by base and subtract that RHS from it. You will get the final answer. Yes, any doubt? Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. I think, yeah. Now there are so many exercises. What you can do? You can do it. One more example. Multiply. Yes, say 9996 with 999. Yes, do this multiplication. Multiply 2 with say 208. This kind of it. Let's, yeah. What will be the base here? Here base will be again 10,000. Will be the base. Now 9996 multiply it with 9994.
Sir, answer is
first answer
999000024.
Minus 4 and minus 6. Am I right here? So 324,
Yes, sir.
024 will be there. And
0024, na sir.
Sir, plus
zero 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 तर सेकंडचा आन्सर 42016. सेकंडचं सर 42016.
सर आवाज नाही
म्यूट
येत
आहे
आहे.
सर. सर तुमचं माईक म्यूट आहे.